Miss Primary is Beatrice Dorothy H. Rivera, the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Benedict O. Rivera of Rosa Street, Kawayan City. Flower Girl, Ashley Kate Ordonez, the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. John Paul Ordonez of Purayong, Kawayan City. Crown Bearer, Romar Baste O. Simangan, the son of Mr. and Mrs. Mark Romel Simangan. Marching now to the throne, ladies and gentlemen, is Miss Primary, Beatrice Dorothy H. Rivera. And then Mr. Primary. Island J. Rico, the son of Mr. and Mrs. Crisanto B. Rico of Tagara